Most people see these earbuds and think they're just Bluetooth earbuds. But once you start using them, things got a little bit interesting. I tried and purchased a lot of hearing protection and ear pro over the years. Electronic muffs, foam plugs, different setups depending on what I was doing. And honestly, I got tired of carrying multiple devices. When I saw these XCOR Pros, I wanted to know if one product could simplify everything. Welcome back to Glockaholic76. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy the video, hit the like button because it really helps get these videos in front of more people just like you. My first impressions, they are surprisingly small. Almost too small to believe that they'd even perform well. But after spending some time with them, I think my opinions may have changed a little bit. There was one thing about these that still bothered me. We'll get back to that in a moment. Here's something most shooters never think about. Noise-induced hearing loss is permanent. One loud shot without protection can damage hearing forever. The military has spent decades trying to solve this problem. Modern electronic hearing protection wasn't developed for comfort. It was developed because soldiers needed to hear commands, footsteps, movements without sacrificing that hearing protection. The XCOR by AXIL is not the first company to bring this technology into civilian hands. My first question was, are they different? Here are some basic specs. There is a 4-in-1 design here, so you have your Bluetooth setup, which you can connect to music and all that fun stuff. You have your digital hearing enhancement piece. You have the overall hearing protection, and you can make phone calls and, like I mentioned, listen to music. They do have the rechargeable battery. There's multiple listening modes. They're very lightweight. They're water resistant. Those specs really aren't too impressive and very standard on paper, especially for a product like this. They're impressive if they work well together. This is where I thought the hype might just fall apart. I tested these at the range and in other loud environments, mowing lawns, trying to drown out the rest of the world when I wanted to get some work done by listening to music. Wear these for hours, but occasionally I do have to readjust and make sure they stay snug and fit. They are dramatically less bulky than earmuffs, which is a plus, and more comfortable on the ears, especially when you're wearing iPro 2. The Bluetooth connection on these are solid. I've listened to music, podcasts, phone calls, but I use other earbuds for intended phone calls. But I can answer a phone on this, kind of exactly what you'd expect from any earbud these days. It took some getting used to, but because you can hear your own voice, it does a good job at keeping all of your sound levels even. If you're talking, or you could do clap tests, and the sound volume will stay the same. It amplifies the lows in the range where you can hear them, and it brings down the highs, so it levels off your sound. You could check out all the specs and see the differences. They instantly compress loud gunfire at the range while letting quieter sounds remain natural. For range time, especially at an indoor range, you can shut off this by simply pressing and holding the two sides of the earbuds at the same time. They just work like regular earplugs will at that. Charging the case solid. Battery life has been excellent. It's got a USB-C charger in the back here. I haven't really had an issue where I ran out of battery. And I've used them for quite a few hours on, and I caught myself reaching for these after a bit. Even when I wasn't shooting, when I was going for a walk, or when I was traveling, or mowing the lawn, or even flying. This is when I realized they have become more than just range gear. This was because of the size, as I do have much better audio devices for using on the plane and just listening to everyday music. These were good enough to get the job done across the board, and I think that's important. It was kind of an all-in-one tool when I needed it. This is where products either earn the reputation or the marketing gets exposed. Comfort, I found these very comfortable to wear, and I was worried that they would fall out at the wrong time, especially at the range. That would be a serious, serious concern. I ran some pistols wearing these, my Wasser 10 rifle, my Daniel Defense, and they handled the sound very, very well. The Wasser 10 was probably the loudest, and I did shut off the pass-through. They blocked the sound just fine. That was at an outdoor range. At an indoor range, you might want to double up the Ear Pro with your earplugs and something else. This is probably the biggest selling point. Now, I'm not sponsored by AXIL or SIG Sauer. I could hear a conversation with other shooters in other lanes at the range when wearing these. They increased my hearing ability. The Bluetooth worked just as I expected it to. Music paused naturally when I was talking, and the phone calls, the few that I've taken, they were surprisingly clear. As far as reliability, no connection issues, no random disconnects. Quite a distance away from my phone when I was connecting to these, listening to music. I think the biggest con on these is the price. They are definitely priced as a premium product, and I'm not sure if these are a premium product. I think these are more of your middle of the road earbuds, and if you're looking for the cheapest ear protection, this isn't it. And personally, I prefer, not sponsored, but I prefer the Walkers with the Bluetooth. They're my favorite at the range, and I'm just not worried about them falling out because they're kind of the over-the-head type. Price isn't always quality or value. The big SIG logo on the side might be what's driving the cost on these. Do I trust these? The AXIL SIG Sauer XCOR Pro? Maybe. I need to test them longer to get more comfortable with them, and I really haven't gotten there yet. I will still use them for other things. Indoor ranges with heavy rifles, large calibers. I would consider doubling up again with earmuffs for maximum protection. I don't think these replace every pair of Ear Pro in every situation. They do come with some other sizes. It comes with your charging cable, and that's it. And then your charging case, a nice little package. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more Glockaholic 76, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you didn't, don't. Either way, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Would you trust in-ear electronic protection over your traditional earmuffs, or do you think over-the-ear protection still is a better choice? Tell me why in the comments. As always, I appreciate you watching my videos. Train smart, shoot often, stay ready. Glockaholic 76. Talk to you soon.